I'm Ben Swartz with Swartz Restoration and Emergency Services. We are Northwest Ohio's premier full-service restoration contractor, helping homeowners and business owners recover from fire damage, water damage, and storm damage.
My name is Rick Fisher. I am the Water Department Manager. I have been with the company for 13 years. You're constantly doing something new and different. The job has daily challenges. You have to think outside the box a lot of times especially with what we do, to get a job taken care of, to get a house dried out. You have to be creative at times to get things done. Be teachable, because you're going to learn many things, many skills, sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but be very receptive and teachable.
I'm Paige Huffman. I am in the Business Development Department, and I've been here for 5 years now. My favorite part is actually going and talking to new people pretty much every day and building those relationships. The company culture for Swartz, I would say, is everybody working together in unison. Nobody's just doing their own job. We all kind of work together and try to get the job done for the homeowner because we know they're going through a stressful time.
My name is Jamie Brenner, and I am the HR recruiter, and I have been here for 3 months. Some of the benefits of working at Swartz are we do offer medical insurance, we offer vision and dental, we do offer employer-paid life insurance, 401k, vacation and PTO, and then also continuing education and career advancement opportunities.
Hi, I'm Randy Green. I'm the General Manager for Swartz Restoration and Emergency Services. Been with the company for 20 years. We rebuild lives. We're not just out rebuilding homes. We're not just out putting homes back together, buildings back together. We are rebuilding people's lives. We are currently looking for carpenters. We are also currently looking for project managers.
If you'd like to join our team or simply learn more about our company, please visit our website at swartzrestoration.com.